Got the big limbs that fell out of the tree piled up. Neighbor's roof on the garage or whatever just ripped off. It's been flinging around, bending. It's going to break off. Got a little more wind damage up here. Well, the hill's still shut down. Crew's working on the down tree and power line. Still no power. Made me a little Thanksgiving tree. Wow. Windstorm Thanksgiving tree. That Ava Brown skull you may never knew. Got the shit ripping off over here too. Wonder if any big walnut limbs fell down yet. Got one walnut tree left over there and one right there. Nope. Neither of those walnuts settling down. Yay. Salt block. There's the greens over. Whoa. And there's Forrest Gump lawnmower for sale. Throw me an offer. Forrest Gump's lawnmower.